Hey guys, it's Kevin from Subispeed. Yet again, I'm going to be opening up our stock WX headlights, and this time we are going to be installing the modified technology sequential sea light bars. Now, some of you guys may compare this to the normal switchbacks that have been available, but this is going to put you in a class of your own. This kit allows you to build a killer lighting setup at a fraction of the cost of a professionally built custom setup. You're not only getting the bright white DRLs, you're also getting the DRL animations, the sequential turn signals, and even a looping show mode. All that being said, I'm going to quickly go through the install, mainly focusing on the wiring since I've already shown you guys how to remove and open up your headlights in previous videos. If you want to see that part of the install, you'll want to check out our headlight mod video. So obviously the first step is going to be removing your front bumper as well as the headlights themselves. On the back there are 6 screws that you'll need to unscrew, as well as 9 clips around the lens that you can use a flathead to unclip. Once everything's unscrewed and unclipped, you can pry the lens off of the housing. Now, I didn't need to put this in an oven or use any heat to do so, but you may want to use a heat gun to go around the edges and loosen that adhesive up. If you don't have a way to do that, no big deal. I was able to do it without. Now, the sea lights are already installed into these headlights, so I'm going to go ahead and install them on the car, and we're going to go through the wiring. So the headlight is installed on the car with the bumper off so we can route the wiring. If we take a look at the wiring harness, you can see that everything is labeled properly, so you shouldn't be able to mess this up unless you're really bad at instructions. For the headlights, they're either green or blue, and they're labeled right and left, so go ahead and connect those together with the corresponding wire. So once you have everything connected, you're going to want to route the wiring. You can do this a multitude of ways. You can follow the harnesses from the factory and zip tie it to those, or come up with a way of your own. It's really up to you, but I did find the optimal mounting place for this controller is over on the driver's side under the crash bar, but you can mount it wherever you'd like as long as it works for you. With the headlight plugged in, I'm going to install the turn signal and running light wire. It's going to be the green wire for the right turn signal. This is going to go to the blue wire on your stock turn signal harness. Now these come with clamps that clamp onto those wires and make it real easy to plug these in. For the black wire, this car is equipped with our Subispeed DRL harness, so I'm going to tap this into that. Then I'm going to route everything over to the driver's side and get this hooked up to the battery. Everything is wired up and the bumper is reinstalled, so I'm going to run through the functions real quick with you guys. Like I said at the beginning of the video, you're going to get the DRL animations along with the bright white DRLs, and then you get the sequential turn signals which pair up perfectly with those DRL animations. And then there are 2 optional functions, which are the DRL dimming, which makes your DRL act in an OEM-like manner. So when your low beams come on, the DRLs dim. And then there is the optional show mode that you can wire up to a remote so you have complete control of your sea lights. That's about it, guys. If you're looking to upgrade your sea lights, but the normal switchbacks just aren't cutting it for you, you want something that's going to grab people's attention, these are going to be your go-to. If these are too flashy for you, you can always stick with the normal switchbacks. If you guys have any questions at all, feel free to email us or give us a ring. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on our latest videos. I'll see you guys next time.